Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move, I mentioned if I get any opportunity for buy, we will take the trade. We had one trade set up and the second one here. That's why we mentioned we need to see the breakout of 3475. As you can see, the price broke, and for those traders, they get a trade from any of this, at least move their stop loss to break even. And if you put this stop in relative to the previous one, if you refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Anyway, at this point, the divergence is just give us a correction. Mostly in the long term, we're looking for continuation. And if I move to daily chart, since the price almost tag 3475, right now we're looking to see whether the price can break the previous top. Okay, and we have nothing else to discuss based on daily chart. And if you move to forward chart again, we mentioned with the breakout of 3475, there is a continuation. The next level we're looking for is 3.7k, which is the previous top. And with the breakout of the 3.7, the next level at least we can look for is 3.9, which is almost near to the previous top, which is a 4k. All right. And at this point, even based on forward chart, if you put this top in relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. All right. Mostly, first things, as I mentioned, we need to see the breakout of the previous top. This kind of the divergence, if there is a continuation following by divergence, mostly we can see the another correction similar to what we have here for the running flat for continuation. I don't think this is the start. I mean, we cannot look for the reversal. The only thing is we can look for continuation. And if from now, if we get any trade setup following by sharp move flag, we will take the trade and we start to manage it. And as long as the price haven't break the 3.7k, that's mean any trade within this range we consider as a short term, similar to any of this. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage at least more or sub loss to break even. And still we can look for continuation, but the way it's moving is quite corrective, is not really sharp. But again, we need to see the breakout of the 3.7k. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.